Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I got more pages to share that I worked on for the Dark Elegance Christmas Challenge, hosted by Witchy Laura's Laura. One-legged Witchy on YouTube. Witchy's Laura Lair on Facebook. I'm gonna screw that up this whole time. I'm having fun with this, guys. So, ready to see? The next page. And I remembered something last night or the night before, I don't remember, but I won a prize from Kathy's World and Friends, and it was these pearlettes, I think they're called. Here, where's the light one? I can read it. Pearl X powder pigments. So I went and got them out, and then I got my little embossing pen, and I added some details. I even show you on the other ones. And I just added a little bit here and there, just to give it a little boom, you know. But, ready? So, got some lace going down here. Got some gold beads. Got a little black cat. See the little black cat that's running in the fireplace sleeping? And when you open it, you got a pocket. And I stitched around. I got some little journaling cards, and these are the images in front when you flip them over. You got some of my paper. Those get tucked. Got these little envelopes. And then in the envelopes, I get it out. Oh my God, come on. Jesus. I got these. It went in there simpler than it did. A little journaling card. I don't know why that stuck. I have no idea. So I got that. Hopefully this one comes out quicker. Easier. Yeah, there it is. Little snowman, and I just stitched around. I left these black. Like I said, I'm going to pick up gold and silver pen when I go out. And I was at Walmart, damn it. So, you have journaling pages. You can journal. I got 3. Then on this side, you got this pretty gal in front of the Christmas tree. You got these, and I put the music paper and one like this on there. You can still journal. You can still journal over the music paper. And then those get tucked into the Christmas tree. She's gorgeous. And then you flip. You have Santa. Yep. I was going to say, did I do this right? Yep. Open it up. Yep. And then you flip. You have Santa. He's got some journaling pages. I got music paper underneath, and he's just chilling. I got a little gem on top. Right there. And you got some journaling cards. Some music paper and different paper. And then we get tucked. And here we go. We move on to that next one. I'll put this like that. And we got this one. This one I just kind of did this little layout. Got the candle and the Santa and the ornaments, and then this little spot right here you can journal in. I just felt like it needed. I wanted to use them, and I thought it was so cute. And then when you flip over, it's Candyland house, and this is probably the only red you'll see. Maybe you might see a little bit more, but not much. Took these little candies, and then the little pearls. But then you go over here, and you pull this out, and it's a journaling card in this one. Shut back in. Just cute, simple. Okay. The next one, once again, little gingerbread people. Gingerbread house. Did I say Candyland house? Gingerbread house, my bad. Another one of these, you pull this out. Got the Christmas tree. Journaling card. A lot of journaling spots in this one. I like journals where you can journal. I mean, sometimes they're so full where it's like, where are you able to journal? Like, I didn't want to put anything extra on some of these because I think you could put a picture here, you could put a picture here. Sorry, I'm trying to get this back in. There we go. And when you flip this one over, it's a little candy house, or little house. Got little brads. I cut the windows open. I stared at this and I thought, I'm going to do it. So the windows, I cut around the little windows, and when you open them, it's little sceneries. So there's a little kid, all surprised from Santa, another bunch of kids, and little kid getting his little motorcycle. I think it's the same kid. And you open this one, a little kid getting gifts, another one, their doll, and then in front, Santa holding a little boy, and then a little girl with her doll. I thought it was kind of cool. Just a cute little layout. And after I did it, I was like, man, Tina. I wasn't thinking. I should have, and I wish I could, and I tried to pull it up and I couldn't. Is I would have just cut right here, so I could tuck little tags at the top. But it was too late. Laura had this cool paper, and I've been kind of using it. I got it all mixed up again, but I know there's one image. I know that's Laura's, because I fell in love with this guy immediately. So what I did is I scanned him. I cut it and I scanned it in to make it bigger. Isn't he gorgeous? He is so pretty. I just love him. And I didn't do anything to him. I just left him the way he is. There's a little gold on it, but not much. I just think he is the bomb. I just love him. Just something about this nutcracker. So on this one, all I did is stitch around it, and I just left it. I didn't add any details. I didn't add no, like I could, you could have put a pearl here or something here. I could have did a lot to this, but I just wanted to leave him the way he is. So on this one, you flip up, because it's hooked to the envelope, and you can journal here. And then you got the little snowman. But inside here, you pull this out. It's a Christmas tree. You open it. You got journal in here. More journaling pages. Journaling on the back. So you got a lot of journaling. And then the Christmas tree on the back. And I got this ribbon going down the edge. And then you just pop it back in here, like so. And if you didn't want to keep that in there, you got a pocket to put stuff in. And then when you turn this one over, you got a couple tags of the nutcrackers. You can journal on the back of them. You got this pretty layout with the pocket. So that is what I've done. So far, these are my pages. Still haven't done the cover, like I said. It's gonna be thick. I'm like, I'm debating if I should finish them all because it's getting bigger. But there's this one, day one, the first couple. But you know what? Chunky's cool. I used to tell my daughter Diamond that because she was a little chunk when she was little, and I'm like, Chunky's cool. There we go. Boom. Because it's getting pretty thick. Because I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 pages. Total of 12 to do, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. It's gonna be chunk. Gonna be a chunky one. So I got 6 empty pages to work on. There's another envelope in here. Also, I did eliminate 2 pages that were not cardstock. I decided to take them out. I wanted to leave the envelopes. But it's going to be a pretty chunk. I can see that already. But I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed these videos. I'm having so much fun doing these. Makes you think. The sewing machine gave me a headache a little while ago. But we worked it out, right, Sally? My sewing machine, I named it Sally. Why? I have no idea. Because it's a brother. Should be a guy's name, right? It's a brother sewing machine. But I named her Sally. So. And I got bigger rings. I had bigger rings. So there'll be bigger rings to hold it too. Not so the other ones that were kind of smaller. But looking good. Can't wait to see the next ones I come up with. Because I don't plan. I plan the picture, but I don't plan what I'm putting on them. Like this right here, this little pocket. I knew I wanted to add something, but I didn't know at the moment. I knew I was using this picture, this is this right here used to be like here. No, there. Yeah. Yep. Boom. So I thought, oh, let me make cute tags. So I made tags with them. So when I came over here, I'm like, where am I going to put the tags? And I didn't know what I was going to do on this page, but I wanted to use it. And then this is that wood scenery from Laura. I thought I'd make a cute pocket. Kind of blends in well. Looks good to me. So there we go. Alrighty, guys. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the evening. Thanks for the comments on the video. I'm enjoying this. And if I make it all, I make it all thick. You know, thick's nice. A little wonky, but you know what? It's cool. So, I will see you in the next one. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.